Hey, what's up? Me and the Lil Lifer out here watching a remote control airplane show, and just had a Japanese plane lost signal and went down pretty bad. Like, there's no salvage in that thing. There was a bunch of pieces, but our buddy's about to take the airplane up, and we're gonna watch. So, hang with us. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get.
Alright everybody, so I'd like to introduce y'all to, I'm going to give the mic here to one of my good friends. This is Rick Vale. He's the Vice President at BRRC, Baton Rouge Radio Control Club. Came out here all the way today. He has some special news he'd like to share with y'all. Here you go, Rick.
Yeah. Yeah. Got another one about to go up. Probably gonna get some air shots. All good.
That's the sound machine.
Lost it. Oh, there it is.
Truck pull right in front.
Yep.
Damn.
Bye. Like your bikes. Alright, let's get this plane off the ground, guys. Go over there and start directing everybody. Alright, you line up over here. Get your shit together. You're taking entirely too long before flights.
Next flight takes off in about an hour.
Get out there with my little orange sticks and start directing them. Like the people on the runway.
Get uppercut by a plane.
Get uppercut by a plane owner.
Yeah.
Alright, which one is making the noise? Don't know.
It's not that one.
Nervous. I see something happening over there. Oh, there's one.
That one's the one making
noise. Sounds like a chainsaw.
It does, or a lawnmower.
Yeah. Weed whacker.
Yeah. I think it's the yellow one right there making that noise.
Yeah, I see the propellers going.
Are we gonna have these dudes take off or not? Okay.
They look at it trying. Oh, they got one up.
The other one's just kind of riding on. There it
Oh,
goes.
there he goes.
And they just have miniguns start going off. No,
Yeah.
it wasn't the yellow one.
Start having a dog fight.
Yeah. It was the gray one right there that was making the noise.
Come on, let's get this one in the air too. Come on, before they fly back around and knock you out there.
Oh, that one has the sharp mouth
Come on, dude, get yours up there. We need a real dog fight happening.
on it. Yeah.
There we go. Yo.
He taking off. Zoom, zoom.
He beat a zoom, 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 zoom.
I'm just waiting for a bird to take out one of these planes.
He gonna shake his rump. Oh, lost it. Oh, there it is. Oh, nope. Lost it. Oh, can't find it. Oh, there it is. Nope. Maybe.
This is
No.
tiny.
Is it the plane or a bird? Oh, nope. That's a plane. Okay.
Good lord.
Alright, where you at? Where you at? Where you at? I can't see you!
Stop losing the plane.
Can't help it. I don't know where it went.
Look, it's over here.
So over. Oh, oh. No, still missed it. No, we got some barrel rolls going. Well, can't see the plane. Let's see if I can get a shot of it, please. Come on. Dang. I can barely see it.
Yeah.
And get him doing a flyby.
Yeah. I like how Aiden's plane sounds like someone just kind of screaming, or like a bug screaming. Meanwhile, the other planes are like full on screams. Like that sounds like a whole actual jet.
I know. It's crazy.
His plane's staying up in the air. He's scared to bring it down.
Yeah, he's like, I'm not going nowhere near those crazy big things.
I hate to say it, but his plane sounds like a mosquito.
Cool.
God. Oh! They were kind of close to hitting there. I don't know if you saw that.
I don't know if the camera caught it or not.
Got everyone doing evasive maneuvers, and Aiden's just kind of like, doo-doo-doo.
He's like, I'm just gonna fly right through here.
Yeah.
Nobody look at me.
I bet Aiden won't say it, but he probably. Oh shit, an actual plane.
Yeah, I hear it.
Yeah, I'd still love to see an actual plane. Imagine they just.
I wonder
fly up
what
to
they
it.
think, yeah. There's the real plane.
Yeah.
Oh, Vernon, you're going to get some beautiful pictures. Wave hi, Pat. This is Pat Soper, everybody. He's a professional photographer here in Lafayette and paints beautiful oil paintings and beautiful pictures. Thanks for coming out and taking pictures.
Damn, I missed seeing the wheels go in.
They gotta loop all the way back there, dang.
Yeah.
Alright, come on back around.
No wonder they keep
Here we
crashing
go.
back there. That plane is a cool plane, though.
Yeah, it is. Hey, so yeah, we had a good time out here today, and hope y'all enjoyed watching everything. Lil Lifer hanging with me, and until next time, don't forget about us.
See ya.